Just made it to the top of Hive Basin. Worth it. Funny, there were no signs, but I got to the top and there was this little tree, and I knew I was at the end of the trail. It's kind of worrying. I knew where I was going to stop. You see the guy up on the ledge up there? He's got a dog with him right in the center of the screen. And then they got this little pond up here. Goes down into a creek. That was down the trail. Watching some eagles fly up in here in this wind tunnel. It's really cool. You can hear them screech. These sheer cliffs are pretty amazing. Oh, about an hour and a half up. Time to head down. I'm going to enjoy this view on the way down.